We are now in the back of this QX50 and we're going to be replacing the backup lights with our T15s, the interior with the T10s in white, and then we got the cargo lights, which will be using the 28mm festoons, which will be looking like these little tiny ones right here. Okay, hopefully you can see that. Alright, so as you can see, they use the same design, so it's going to be the same procedure for both. So we're going to pop this out real quick. Okay. So pretty much what you want to go for is push these in to allow it to just pop out. And then at this point, you're just going to unclip this so you don't want to have it dangling, okay? What you're going to do next to remove the cover, don't just start prying it because there is a little screw on it, okay? So you got to remove that little screw first, which is a Phillips head. You're going to just get it in there. It'll just pop out like that, okay? And we're going to take out that bulb. Okay. Reinstall the bulb. I like holding it from the side because it gives me more grip. Get it installed. And then just make sure you turn it to the correct position, which is you want the chips facing upwards. So when you put your cover back out, just like that, make sure they all clip in. If you feel resistance, then make sure you take your time, pull it out, align it better, and it should go on with no issue, okay? And then remember, put on your screw. Okay, and then don't over tighten, okay? As soon as you feel it grip, that's all you need, okay? So you're good, it's not popping out anymore, so you're good to go. All right, so at this point, you just want to connect it. As you can see, it's working. We'll turn it off and just reinstall. Okay, so guys, if you have any questions, let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching. Alright guys, so we're inside now. We're going to be doing the installation of the interior map lights, and we're going to be using the T10s in white from Lasfit, okay? So let's get to where the actual map lights are so we can show you how they look with the halogens in. Alright, so turning them on, that's your halogen, that's your LED. So we already did one side and we're just showing you a comparison real quick. So we're going to be replacing this, okay? A good way I like to work with these is I actually press in from one corner, and that will lift up right here, okay? And you just go through here and pops out that easy like that. And once you got it there, there's gonna be two more clips right here. So all you wanna do is just wiggle it. Luckily these are plastic, so they're pretty flexible. So just take your time and it'll just come out just like that. Okay, just wiggle it. And it'll come out, okay? So don't force them because you don't want to bend them or break it. Like I said, they're plastic, so you don't want to break these, but they're pretty flexible, okay? So they can take a little bit of force. So just try it out, take your time, don't just pull it, you'll break it. And at that point, you got your bulb right there, okay? Okay. And at this point, all you're gonna do is just pull out your bulb, okay? So normally we recommend use gloves or microfiber cloths to get them out if you plan to reuse your bulbs at any time, but this customer doesn't want them, so we're just gonna pull them up, put them to the side, and we're gonna install our new bulb, okay? This is the LED bulb. Just gonna line it up in there. Okay, just like that, it's in there, and test. There you have it. Okay, so at this point, just simply put your cover back on. I like to start from the front and then in. Just like that, you're done. So guys, if you have any questions, please let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you out. And thank you for watching. Alright guys, so we're working on the side doors, the actual panel here, the lighting, or to be the courtesy light. and we're going to be replacing it with T10s, but this one specifically is going to be the ice blue. Normally we put white in there or an amber one, but the customer wants a blue one, so we're going to be putting the ice blue into this. Okay. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the halogen bulb in here already, and these are the lights that are mounted to the actual door panels. So this is, I believe these are the step courtesy lights. So we're gonna pop this off real quick, just like that. Pops out really easily, okay? And then just unclip it, because you don't want to work with it while there's power on it. Just like that, held on by 4 clips. If you can get 2 sides off, then it will just pop off really easy. So let's start that. So find whichever ones are more easier for you to access. So like this one for me came out really easy. So we're gonna pull that out. That's one. So you can see how it just lifted right there. And then the next one, just like that. Okay. So pretty simple. Just remove this, just like that. Put it to the side. Get your new T10, which we're gonna be using the ice blue colored ones. So we're gonna put that in there. Just make sure you line it up correctly. You don't want to bend any of the actual prongs in there. And just like that, it's in. And then I recommend always test lights. Make sure that they work correctly. And we're gonna activate the trigger. Okay, so there you have it. You know the bulb is working. Put your lens back on. I like to start at an edge. So I start from one corner and then just put it back on. Okay. And there you go. And it has a specific way it has to go on, all right? So if it's not lining up correctly, then it means it's backwards. As you saw, all I did was just flip it over and then put it back on, and it worked. And then simply slide your housing back in, and same thing. You want the cable to be pointing back, and then it'll just slide in so easy like that. So guys, that's it. The other doors will be the same way. So if you guys have any questions, concerns, let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching.